Não foi Lelo. Foi mai I van. Foi mai levalu sale. Foi mai I levalu piteu.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Awayford. Happy birthday to you. Manu Yaloa Sofana. Manu Yaloa Sofana. Manu Yaloa Sofana. Look at the camera.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
40-year-old?
Oh, goodness sake. Otherwise, my goal was to get through this day, and no one's going to say anything about my birthday. And I've done really well. What's the time now?
Nearly 8.
I even had plans. I told Rose I'm not going back over to Upolu. I'm going to stay here and go down
The other side.
there somewhere. And look, yeah. I can't. You know, with this attention, just got to push it back. All this attention. Leave me alone, man. Thank you very much, I just got to just leave it there. Thank you very much. Maybe just one. Maybe just one. One we all know. Here, the Nui o Te Ao. What is the most important thing in this world? Tangata. It is people. How do you say that in Samoan?
Tangata.
The question. Here, the Nui o Te Ao.
No,
What is the most important thing in the world? How do you say that in Samoan?
Ah, yeah.
Thank you very much. Boys, what we're going to do is that we're going to put this in the back of the truck. And we're going to hold it. And I'm going to go around some of those beds. And your challenge is to make sure it doesn't break up. So we'll see how we go with this. We need to do something with this. Yep, come back.
We have 20 minutes to eat and then load the bus. We need to leave here at 8:30, the latest, 8:30.